In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Zoom region. If you've ever found yourself needing to adjust your Zoom settings, especially when it comes to time zones, you're in the right place. Whether you're traveling, working with international colleagues, or simply want to ensure your meetings are scheduled correctly, adjusting your Zoom region can make all the difference. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Zoom website on your preferred internet browser and log into your account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the upper right corner of your screen and click on the My Account icon. This is where you'll find all the personal settings related to your Zoom account, including your profile and time zone preferences. After you've clicked on My Account, you'll be taken to your account management page. Here, you want to locate and click on Profile. This section contains all your personal information such as your name, email, and the ever-important setting we're focusing on today, your time zone. Clicking on Profile will bring up a detailed view of your account information where you can make the necessary adjustments. Next, scroll down until you find the section labeled Time Zone. This is the area where you can change your current time zone to reflect your desired region. Click on the Time Zone drop-down menu. You'll see a list of different time zones from which you can choose. This can be particularly helpful if you're in a different country or if daylight savings time has kicked in and changed your local time. Select the time zone that is the correct one for your current or preferred region. Once you've made your selection, always remember to save your changes. There should be a Save button right below the drop-down menu for the time zone. Clicking this ensures that your meetings are scheduled correctly according to your new settings. Changing your time zone is a small step that can save you a lot of hassle, especially when coordinating meetings with people in different parts of the world. It helps prevent misunderstandings and ensures your calendar reflects your true availability. Before you wrap up, it's a good practice to double check that the changes you made have been saved. Navigate back to your profile page and confirm that the time zone you selected is listed as your current setting. This simple verification step can prevent any future scheduling conflicts. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating how to change your Zoom region by adjusting the time zone. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to enhance your digital experience. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell to receive updates every time we upload new content. Have a fantastic day, wherever you are in the world.